Which of the following represents a negative number? And it looks like we got a bunch of absolute value expressions within absolute value expressions. So let's just work on our individual terms here. So absolute value of -9 is just 9 minus the absolute value of 7, which is 7. So this is equal to 2, not negative. So here we have work from the inside out. So negative 9 minus 7 is going to be -16. So this whole thing is going to be the absolute value of -16, which is just 16, which is not negative. C is 7 minus -9. So that is just 7 plus 9, which is the absolute value of 16. And so for these two, you almost know that it can't be negative just from without even having to do the arithmetic, because any absolute value, the absolute value of anything, is going to be has to be either positive or 0, so it can't be negative. That's out. And it looks like the same thing is true for D, which means E should be our answer. Here we have the absolute value of the absolute value of 7, so the absolute value of 7 is just 7, minus the absolute value of -9, so the absolute value of -9 is just 9. So we have the absolute value of -2, which is still just +2. So E, by process of elimination, let's see though if it actually is negative. So here the absolute value of 7 and minus the absolute value of -9. So absolute value of 7 is 7. Absolute value of -9 is 9. So this is just 7 minus 9, which is -2. And E is, in fact, negative.